Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Institution again. So today in this video, we are going to see one of the very interesting AWS interview question. That is, explain the difference between general purpose SSD, which is GP2, and provisional IOPS SSD, okay, which is io2. So what is the difference between general purpose SSD and provisional IOPS in EBS volume? Okay, so this topic is related to EBS volume. So interviewer may be expecting you that so what what's the different types of volume you'll be choosing for your application? Okay, so the answer for this question will be okay. So the general purpose GP2 provides the provides a balanced performance for the wide range of workloads. So we can use SSD general purpose SSD for the your general workloads, which means that so if you're not having any kind of intensive workloads related to IO, input output rates related to databases, then you can go with a general purpose that can be suitable for all the applications. Whereas the provisional IOPS SSD allows you to specify the consistent IOPS rates, okay, making it deal for IO intensive applications. What is IO intensive applications? So we have so which are the applications may heavily involved in database retrievals. Okay, so these kind of applications we can definitely go for provisional IOPS. Okay, let's see in the demo that what's the difference between provisional IOPS and general purpose SSD. Okay, so just go on to EC2 dashboard and then come over here and then click on volumes. Okay, so we have we have so many volumes. Okay, so if you want to create a volume, click on create volume. So here you can see there are various types of IOPS. So here the interviewer may ask you that what's the difference between general purpose SSD? It can be any versions, right? GP2 or GP3 or anything. So we have something called provisional IOPS 1 and provisional IOPS 2. Okay. So what's the difference between these two is that, for example, if you can click on a general purpose SSD or a general purpose GP3, okay, you can see IOPS rate. Okay. So IOPS rate means, so input output per second rate. Okay. So if you can see the input output per second, IO operations per second, right? So IO operations, input output operations per second means that how much IOPS that this can handle, right? So it has 16,000 IOPS. Okay, if you can click on the provisional SSD 2, you can see up to 1 lakh IOPS. Okay, so we can extend till up to 1 lakh. Okay, so now we can specify like this. So what do you mean by this one is that so whenever you are facing your application is facing higher IO rates. Okay, so then it's better to go with so general purpose provisional IOPS, but otherwise all the other normal applications it's better to go with general purpose SSD. Okay, so hope this question was really helpful for you. Okay, so in terms of interview, so if you're preparing for an interview, please go through all these kind of questions, then it'll be really helpful for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please follow us and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.